Namaskar. Today we are going to teach you about the place value table which has been taken from Math is Fun software, and it is very usable, and it can be taught from the class 6 to class 8. What is place value table? Place value table means in the some boxes starting from 1 is box, 10 1 is box, 100 1 is box, 1000 1 is box, 10,000 1 is box, 100,000, millions, and etc. So 1, 10, 100, 1000, 10,000. Next slide. Backside, the previous. See, suppose one number is given 11,327, in which box 7 comes, 2 comes, 3 comes, they come separately in separate box. So 7 comes 1 box, 2 comes 10 box, 3 come 100 box, 1 come 1000 box, again 1 come 10,000 box. Like this is the place value table. Next slide. One question is there for the number 2768. I will not pronounce this is which number. I will talk about 2768. What does the 2 means? Means what the value of 2? Is it 2 units, 2 hundreds, 2 tens, 2 thousands? So answer will be the 2000s. Next. Like this, see this question and answer these questions. So here 0 means 0 hundreds. Next question. Next question, for the number 6709416, what does the 0 means? Here what does the 0 means? See A, B, C, D. Again it has some answer. Here 0 means 0 10,000 because 0 comes under 10,000. And see this question for the numbers 7,864,427. What does the 4 with the higher place value means? Because here there are 2 4s in 2 boxes. One is lower and another is higher. So what will be the higher place value mean in this number? Here it will be 4. 1 4 is 100 place and another 4 is 1000 place. So answer will be higher place value 4000. Next. Write 9,601,052 as a number. Means it is a international type of place value. So it is given in the below. Place value table is given below. See, after 1000 there will be million. So 9,601,052. So here see the answer. Thank you.